G'day mate, in this video we will review this KUIS 500N. This grinder is a 200 watt grinder with 250 gram hopper capacity. Pretty decent in it. And we unbox this first. We have two styrofoam here, as usual, you know the drill, and the manual book itself. In the manual book, as you see here, you will see an exploded view here, so you can service it yourself in DIY manner. And the troubleshooting advice from the manufacturer. The hopper design and shape is very similar to the FEMA 600N, but I like this kind of hopper. Very short and cute hopper. They say it is duck hopper. As you see here, this is a step grinder, so you better not use this grinder for espresso. Even though in the box they said manual brewing and espresso. No. You better not use this grinder for espresso making. So this grinder have two mode, a semi-automatic and the continuous mode in the number 2. Like this. The semi-automatic mode is push to grind. This grinder comes with a stainless steel cup, so this grinder is worth every penny. The screw design make it easier to disassemble this grinder for troubleshooting and cleaning without any tool, as you see here. Bada bing, bada boom. And we got our burr set here. 60mm stainless steel burr. Come on, this is very gorgeous. And the burr is sharp to make your grind faster. And for cleaning, you just need a simple brush like this. Brush. You don't need to clean like deep clean with the brush because I have a blower in my hand. So you better have to. So the blower is not essential at all, but it will make your days easier to clean your grinder. I promise you, you won't regret this decision. Buy a blower. Maybe you don't need like a very expensive blower, but a blower, alright? It will help you like a lot. Okay, let's assemble this grinder. Okay, we place the burr set like here, and we test it by make it rotating. Okay, make sure the rotating is very good. Okay, and moving freely like here. Okay, the bouncy bounce. Alright, and put the screw back. With a good build quality like this and stainless steel cup and stainless steel burr set, what else you want? Bro, this is $100 grinder and the particle distribution is so good, so this grinder is your choice. In my opinion, this is the best grinder in the $100 range. Alright, see you tomorrow.